Outdoor trips are full of fun and joy, but a well-planned trip can turn into a survival situation within a blink of an eye. That is why it's always a good idea to have some survival gear with you that can provide critical advantage to get you out of the situation with confidence. These gears are packed with useful features and offer durability that is always needed in harsh survival situations. There are a lot of survival gear available on the market that can offer a helping hand in any survival scenario. And to help you choose the right one, we have listed the best 7 outdoor survival gear that you can have to face any situation with confidence.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
Fire can bring back your ultimate confidence and essential warmth in any survival mission. Light My Fire specializes in sustainable outdoor accessories with color, design, and functionality that are as practical in the city as they are in the wild. If you are barbecuing while also doing bushcrafting or want to absorb some heat during any survival situation, its reliable magnesium alloy striker will not disappoint you. It's built for a durable fire striker that will work reliably for approximately 3,000 strikes. Its 5400 degrees Fahrenheit spark makes fire building easy in any weather condition. You can use this fire starter to ignite any fuel, including Light My Fire tinder sticks, flammable gas, or liquid fuel. It also comes with a whistle for emergency and flexible cord for easy transportation. This lightweight, compact and reliable fire starting tool, aka the Swedish Firesteel 2.0, is worth bringing with you on any outdoor survival situation. In any survival situations, you may want to keep a tool that is versatile yet durable enough to fulfill your demands in any situation. That's why you should have the ESEE shovel, a life-saving survival tool that's packable and lightweight to suit any survival situation. The ESEE shovel packs a total of 18 different tools in its compact construction, including a saw, camping axe, knife, hunting spear, bottle opener, fire starter, and many more, so that you can always have the right tool at hand in time of need. Made with heat-treated, high-quality solid carbon steel and aerospace-grade aluminum, this shovel is made tough like a tank and can withstand harsh weather conditions of survival situations. This survival shovel features a waterproof storage compartment where you can stash matches and other camping supplies, screwdriver, whistle compass, and rope cutter to keep them dry. Perfect survival gear for travel, this foldable shovel comes with a survival legs and can fit easily inside a durable, packable ripstop nylon pouch, allowing you to easily keep it in your car or bug-out bag in case of emergency. Be prepared for anything. The ESEE Tactical Shovel is a life-saving survival tool that is perfect for any adventure. Multi-tools can become handy in survival situations, and if you want a multi-tool that can fit in your wallet, then you should have Multitools Adventur 3.0. a credit card sized multi-tool from MRF for you to face the edge of your comfort zone. This is basically a multi-tool X with arrow and includes 40 plus other essential tools with even more functionalities to get your job done efficiently. Coming in at 3 different versions, this multi-tool includes X, scraper, shovel, knife, can opener, auto wrench, tomahawk, screwdriver, ruler, and so many other things to make your outdoor survival a little easier. Its unique lock system makes the arrowhead to stay tight inside of this tool, allowing easy carry, handling, and usage while the arrow is attached to the body firmly. Tackle any outdoor survival situation with the MRF Multitools Adventur 3.0 and stay confident. The Sawyer Products Mini Water Filter is ideal for outdoor recreation, hiking, camping, scouting, domestic and international travel, and emergency preparedness. The Sawyer water filters contain a high number of tiny U-shaped hollow fiber microtubes that trap contaminants while allowing decontaminated water to pass through at a high flow rate freely. It is certified for 0.1 micron filtration, meaning there is no pore size larger than 0.1 microns in size and makes it impossible for harmful bacteria. This water filter can be attached to include a drinking pouch, standard disposable water bottles, hydration packs, or use a straw for drinking directly from your water source. Its high-performance 0.1 micron absolute inline filter fits in the palm of your hand and weighs just 2 ounces. 100% of mini units individually tested 3 times to performance standards by Sawyer. It is a lightweight, versatile personal water filtration system and perfect for everything from camping with the kids to traveling abroad where the tap and bottled water cannot be trusted. The Sawyer Products Mini Water Filter is a lightweight, versatile personal water filtration system that you can keep it with your emergency survival kit. Ware specializes on manufacturing first aid kits for outdoor survivalists. Their medical kits are widely trusted and used by outdoor enthusiasts. Ware's small first aid kit combines first aid kit with modern technology to provide you a helping hand in any survival moment. This first aid kit comes with 100 essential life-saving items to ensure you always have the right medical item at your hand in time of need. It comes in a durable bag made from 600D polyester, which keeps the kits protected from outside elements and allows you to carry it easily. This bag is 100% waterproof and comes with durable zip-top laminate baggies, which ensures your medical kits always stay dry, even in marine or boat environment. This kit is FDA approved and has passed the rigorous testing that ensure all items in the kit are safe for you and your family. The Ware small first aid kit packs all the necessary first aid kits in one place and allows you to tackle any survival moment with confidence. The Go Timer Gear Life Tent is a waterproof and windproof 2-person tube tent constructed from extra thick tear and puncture-resistant polyethylene material that locks out rain, wind, and snow. The interior reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm, dry, and protected from the elements. Go Time Gear Life Tent is engineered for emergencies and survival. Use the 120 decibel survival whistle to cut through wind and trees to alert rescuers up to 1 mile away. The 550-pound nylon core parasync technology drawstring can be used to tie down or repair gear. In an emergency, your tools are the difference between life and death. The Life Tent stacks the deck in your favor and is perfect for your bug-out bag, hiking pack, survival gear, or car survival kit. It can also be used as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket. The Go Timer Gear Life Tent keeps you dry, warm, and alive in extreme condition. Nothing can beat the necessity of a knife in outdoor survival situation. That is why you should have the ESEE knives Junglas 2. A super sharp and durable knife that is always there when you need it the most. The Junglas is named after the Colombian police Jungla and was originally designed as a cross between a fixed blade knife and a machete to offer maximum performance. Utilizing its 8.3-inch 1095 high carbon steel blade, the Junglas 2 features textured powder coat finish to deliver excellent cutting experience in any survival moment. It comes with a removable micarta handle that allows you to have a firm grip while working with the knife and finish your work with extreme efficiency. With so many features, this knife comes with a lanyard hole which will allow you to easily carry it with you wherever you go and use it without any problem. The ESEE Knives Junglas 2 delivers excellent cutting power when you need it the most to provide you critical advantage that you need to get through a survival situation. So that was all about the top 7 best outdoor survival gear on Amazon. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.